and welcome to the John and Dad Show.
Hi.
We have 5 different pop vinyls. Well, actually, let's see. 6, including these 2, because there's actually 2 of them. So pretty much 6 pop vinyls.
A double.
Because this is a 2-pack. We have Jiminy Cricket. We have Tom and Jerry. We have the Tiki Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. He's a Hot Topic exclusive that you could get in that like Lilo and Stitch box.
Yeah, a special box that they sent out. And it's scented.
Yeah, it smells like pineapple.
Mmm.
And then we have Pain and Panic from Hercules.
That was a hard one to come across, too. These are all some pretty interesting ones that we searched quite a while to get.
So I think I'm going to start with Jiminy Cricket. I'm going to start here with Jiminy Cricket.
Just bringing the big boy right off the bat. He always said, what did he say? Jiminy Cricket. Can you do your Jiminy Cricket impression?
I don't really know how.
Let your conscience be your guide. I don't know. I don't have a good one. We should watch Pinocchio and develop one.
Yeah, I've never seen Pinocchio.
Smell like a cricket.
There's Jiminy Cricket.
Nice top hat.
Jiminy Cricket used to do meet and greets at Disney World.
He carries an umbrella.
I have Jiminy Cricket's autograph in my autograph book, Dad. In one of my autograph books, I have Jiminy Cricket's autograph. Ooh, his head turns.
I think I met him once when he did meet and greets. I'm older than
Did you turn it all the way?
I'm not going to turn it all the way. He's an old and rare one, so we're going to keep him kind of just taken care of. I think Jiminy Cricket could end up being one of your top 20.
Top 10?
No, he won't be top 10, but he could. He's not top 10 or top 20 yet, but I think he's valuable. And I think that in the future, Disney may do some more with Pinocchio.
More Pinocchio pop vinyls?
More Pinocchio movies, thus increasing Jiminy's popularity. He's a great guy.
His head turns too, by the way. Jiminy Cricket's head turns.
Mm-hmm. Fantastic. Who's next? Are we going to get Tom and Jerry?
Yep.
These guys are cool.
I actually kind of wanted these guys because they look pretty cool. I saw them at Barnes & Noble one time, but I never got them. I could have gotten them, but I didn't get them. I got them now.
There you got them. They're nice to add to the collection. Looks like Jiminy Cricket's whispering in my ear. What's that, Jiminy? Let my conscience be my guide? Oh, okay. Thanks, Jiminy.
It looks like he's holding like some sort of mallet or something.
Whoa, it's a cleaver. You know what cats do with mice is they eat them. So he's actually trying to chop Tom.
Jerry?
And he's trying to top Jerry and make dinner out of him. He never does, though. That's how the cartoon works. He can't catch Jerry.
And there's Tom.
So he has to settle for, like, cat food.
His head turns, by the way. See? Tom's head turns. And to go with Tom, we have Jerry.
Oh.
Knocking people
I was bringing Cody into the picture and I knocked him over. We'll fix him.
Yeah, we can fix him.
Hi, everyone. I get to be into John and Dad shows.
So Tom's head turns. I showed that already. So there's Jerry. He's holding a little piece of cheese in his hand. He has one hand
Mice
on
like
his head.
cheese.
Yep. His head turns, but not that much. It's kind of hard.
A little bit.
Turns a little.
We got Pain and Panic. They're a limited edition.
Yep, they are. Pain and Panic are a limited edition. They even have a box protector and everything.
Fantastic.
Here they come.
Which one is the pink one?
Pain is the pink one, and then Panic is the blue pterodactyl looking one.
Okay. We saw them at Disney World recently.
Yeah, they're at the Boo to You parade. In the Boo to You Halloween parade.
I remember that parade.
You know how I told you that I got Jiminy Cricket's autograph?
Yeah.
I also got Pain and Panic's autograph.
Oh, wow. They don't do autographs. They don't do meet and greets.
Yeah, they don't do meet and greets. Preston got their autograph for me.
That's fantastic. It's nice to have a brother that works at
tons
Disney.
Of autographs. Here's Pain.
Ha. Looks kind of like a cat.
Now, their heads turn.
Lot of fragile pieces.
Their heads turn, but I don't want to turn their heads because their wings and tails get in the way, and I don't want to push their wings too hard.
Exactly. You don't want to break them. They would be very easily broken. You don't really want to break these ones, and they're so tiny and intricate. What?
It looks like a broken wing. A broken piece fell off.
Don't touch it. Nothing fell off.
No? Yes, it did.
That's how his wing looks because he's got a bite out of it.
No? He wasn't like that when I got him. He wasn't like that.
Well, I guess we're going to have to redo this show so we can get...
Maybe not. I don't know. It might be supposed to be like that. I don't know.
I think he's supposed to be like that. I think he has a bite out of it. And if we look closely, we can see there's plastic edges. These pop vinyls have such details.
Are you sure that's supposed to be there? I didn't think it was.
I'm certain.
Like it's broken.
I'm certain. And I'm certain it's nothing to worry about.
There's
now, who's
Panic.
this pterodactyl one? Panic. Yeah, we don't want to become Panic. We don't want to panic, do we? I think that would be silly. Look
now
at
I'm
this
going to
guy.
have to watch a video of these guys later and see if his wing is meant to be like that.
Or you could just...
I have a mystery mini of Pain somewhere, and I could look at him later.
I think we got a little sidetracked on this show, so we're not going to get to do the Pineapple Stitch. We'll have to do him some other time, I guess. You want to try to do it real quick?
Yeah.
Okay.
And his head does not turn, but you can smell him. See what he smells like.
Oh. Well, he says he's scented.
Yeah, he smells like pineapple. There he is.
Fantastic. Good job. So we got the crew. We got Tom, Jerry,
Pain and Panic.
Jiminy Cricket, who's fantastic, and a great pop vinyl to collect. We got Pain and Panic. We're not certain about this wing on Pain, but we're just going to look at it later. Looks like it's supposed to be that way to me.
To me, it looks broken.
Well,
and that piece wasn't
things
even in the box.
when you take a bite out of something, it looks broken afterwards.
I don't remember that.
And my favorite of this selection
Do you remember that
is
in the
this
movie?
Stitch.
Please like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.
Goodbye.